You put all your effort into creating your event. Now's the fun part. You get to show it off. In this video, I'm going to give you tips on how to film reels at an event, and then I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily use that footage to create a reel. So I recently went to an event and I filmed a bunch of vertical content for the event host. Before we dive into editing, I just want to go through these and show you what kind of stuff you're looking at when you're filming your content. So you can see as you go through all of these, there's a combination of close-up shots and wide shots. By having both, you're allowing your viewer to have more of a story. So it allows them into the close shots and then allows them to see the full scene with the wide shots. So you can see it goes really tight to more wide. You also want to look for the stories within the event. So like putting up the flowers, you can see they pull them out first. You need to grab the flower and then you can hang it. And then I have like a wider shot of somebody hanging it. So having those stories within your videos is going to be very helpful. You also want to focus on where you're framing it. So because of reels do get cut off at the top and the bottom and on the sides. You want to try to keep most of your important things right in the center of the shot so that it's not going to get cropped when you do post it. So now that you know what kind of things you're looking at when you're filming your event, let's put this event together as a reel. So there's a couple options you can use for this. You can just put the clips together and add some music, or I suggest just getting a template. A template is going to be an easier way for you to put this all together. To find templates, what you do is just browse through your feed, and as you see something with a template, like there's this one right here, you can just press use template. At the bottom, it's going to indicate how many video clips you need to make this template work. And with this one, I need one longer one and a bunch of short ones. So I can go into my album. There we go. And now I can figure out what clips I want to add. There we go. So now once you import all your things, and it's going to create that reel for you. So you can see that this is okay. Maybe the shots don't really show the part that I want to share. So if you want to adjust this a little bit better, you can click on the clip and then you can adjust which part of the video is going to appear. There you go. So this already makes so much more sense because it tells more of a story and you get to pick the best shots from that. And then once you're ready, just press next, next, and you're ready to post your reel. If you don't want to post it right now, you can save your draft and then maybe try a different template and see maybe the different template's going to work better for you. So some templates require more video clips than others. So you can see this one, it has a lot of video clips. So depending on how many clips you want, then choose a template that's appropriate. When you're thinking about filming your clips, I also suggest to try to make your clips a little bit longer. If they're all really short, then it's hard. Try to make your clips between 5 and 15 seconds at least, just so that you have more variety of shots to choose within that clip. Debating whether you should use your phone or your camera to film your next event? Well, check out this video where I compared the two and you can make the decision for yourself. I hope that you had a great day, and until next time, peace!